In a small village lived an old clockmaker. He repaired clocks for rich and poor people alike. One day, a young boy visited his shop carrying a broken clock. "It doesn't work anymore," the boy said sadly. "My grandfather gave it to me." The old man examined the clock carefully. "It can still be fixed," he smiled. "But it's old," the boy replied. "And it keeps stopping." The clockmaker gently said, "Sometimes people are like clocks. They think they are broken because they fail a few times." The boy watched quietly as the old man cleaned each tiny gear. Hour after hour, the clockmaker patiently worked. Finally, tick, 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 the clock began working again. The boy's eyes filled with joy. "How did you fix it?" he asked. "I listened carefully," the old man answered. "Most broken things do not need to be thrown away. They need patience, care, and hope." Years later, the boy became a clockmaker too. Whenever someone brought him something broken, he remembered the old man's words. Patience and kindness can restore many broken things.